boys and girls, today is Wednesday, May 20th, and this is Rhymes and Times. Today you're going to need your new Rhymes and Times packet, and you're going to need your whiteboard, eraser, and marker. So if you need to pause to get those things, go ahead and press pause. All right, boys and girls, so now that you've gotten all of your materials out, let's go ahead and review all of our rhymes. Let's start with the first one. Ready? 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling, all 49. 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling, all 49. Show me 9 times 7. Since you're doing 9 times 7, you're multiplying by 9. Look at the other number, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 63. 63. 0 is always the hero. 0 is always the hero. What is 1 times 8? 8. What is 12 times 1? 12. Whenever you multiply by 1, the answer is the other number. When you multiply by 2, you count by 2, or just double the other number. And when you multiply by 5, just count by 5. Let's do it. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! Ready? Put those hands on your hips, and we're going to swirl around. Ready? 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. Again. 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. All right, here's my favorite one. Ready? Remember, we just spin in the beginning. 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one drops. Again, 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and continue this lesson with practicing our 10s, our 11s, and our 12s. I know that you're experts on 10s and 11s. We're only going to practice that for 2 more days, but we'll definitely keep practicing the 12s every day. All right, so show me, go ahead and write these down. 10 times 4, 10 times 6, and 10 times 12. Please go ahead and do those problems really quickly on your whiteboard as I drink my water. Whenever you multiply by 10, just add a 0 to the other number. Add a 0 to the 4. Add a 0 to the 6. Add a 0 to the 12. Add a 0 to the other number. So 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 6 is 60, and 10 times 12 is 120. Let's do the same now, but with 11. Instead of 10 times 4, show me 11 times 4, 11 times 6, and 11. Actually, don't do 11 times 12. That's a separate one that we have to learn. 11 times 9. Go ahead and show me those, please. All right, pretty quick and easy, right? Whenever we multiply by 11, There are 2 1s in the 11, so you got to put 2 4s in the answer. 2 1s in the 11, so put 2 6s in the answer. 2 1s in the 11, so put 2 9s in the answer. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 9 is 99. And that's it, boys and girls. That's how you multiply by 11. There's a special rule. There's really not a rule that works for 11 times 12. So that's something that we're going to have to learn a little later. Okay? All right, very good. So let's go ahead. You know how to multiply by 10. You know how to multiply by 11. And if you know how to multiply by 11, you'll know how to multiply by 12. Please show me 12 times 4 and 12 times 7. See if you can do that all by yourself. You don't have to write down what I'm writing down here. 12, 2, and 11. And the other. All right. Some of you, I'm sure, are done, or most of you. When you multiply by 12, it's so simple. There's just 2 steps. Change the 12 to an 11. And so we do it. 11 times 4 is 44. There are 2 1s in the 11, so you got to put 2 4s in the answer. But we're not done yet, because that's only if you see 4 11 times. We need to see the 4 12 times. So what you do is add the other number. 44 plus 4 equals 48. 12 times 4 equals 48. For the next one, what you should have done is change the 12 to an 11. 11 times 7 is 77. And then step number 2, add the other number. 77 plus 7 equals 84. Get it? 48, 84? Verse, whatever. All right, boys and girls. So that's great. I'm so happy that you know your 12s. We're going to practice 2 of those every single day to make sure that you are learning your 12s, that you have learned your 12s. Let's move on to our packet. We learned our rhyme yesterday, the past 2 days. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, right? Oh, what's happening here? Hold on. Be patient with me, kiddos. All right, here we go. Let me make this a little bigger. So this is the rhyme that we learned on Monday and Tuesday. Let's go ahead and do this 9 times. Ready? Put your hand on your knee. Pretend that you have 9 cuts on there. And let's do this. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 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 4 more times. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. Like a whiner. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. So what's 3 times 3? 9. Let's take a look at our new rhyme. Oh, come on. What is happening here? I don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm sorry, boys and girls. All right, here we go. So it says 4 times 8 bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. They have a contraction there. I'm actually going to change the contraction to the correct word. They're both correct, but I want to have you are because it sounds better in the rhyme. So let's try that again. It says 4 times 8 bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. Read it with me. Ready? 4 times 8 bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. All right, so here's the move for it, okay? So remember how we do 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks, and we do this is 3, and then 3 plus 3 equals 6? Well, 8 is the double of 4, so we're kind of going to do the same thing, but instead of going down like this, we're going to go up. So it's going to go like this. 4 times 8, okay, because this is 4. And then if I get this out together, 4 plus 4 equals 8, okay? So let's do that. Ready? 4 times, so when you say times, you're pushing out the other hand. Let's try that again. 4 times 8, again. 4 times 8, when you say 8, bring them together because 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's do it. 4 times 8, and then you're going to do an old school dance move. Some of your parents might remember this dance move from a long time ago, before you were born, and go like this. Bubbles are fun, because that used to be a fun dance move. Bubbles are fun. You're just kind of winding your arms around like this and putting your shoulders into it. So this is the side view. Bubbles are fun. So again, let's try that. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Again. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. So you're pretending to pop bubbles. Pop 32. Then you are done. Then you are done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. All right, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. When you say the word then, that's when you kind of start doing this. Then you are done. All right, let's do that 8 times. Ready? Let's do it. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. As soon as you say then, make sure you start doing this. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. 4 more times. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. Last time. 4 times 8. Bubbles are fun. Pop 32. Then you are done. So here's what you're going to do, boys and girls, in this activity. Some of you might have bubbles at home. If we were at school, you would each be getting your own bubble container. I'm sorry that we're not at school. You could make your own if you have soap water, or I'm sorry, soap, dishwater, dish soap, dish soap, water, and glycerin, but you probably don't have glycerin at home. But anyway, I have bubbles. So remember, the rhyme today has to do with 32 bubbles because 4 times 8 equals 32. So if you have bubbles at home, you're going to actually blow 32 times. You're going to blow, because think about it. You're not going to just blow 32 bubbles because in one blow, watch, there's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's like 11 bubbles in that one blow. So what I want you to do today is if you have bubbles, I want you to blow through this stick 32 times. If you don't have bubbles at home, which you probably don't, then just pretend to blow 32 bubbles, okay? They are available at the dollar store. If your parents want to go to the dollar store or are going to the dollar store, you can get like a pack of 3 of these for $1. So if your parents are going to the dollar store. So here's what it is. Oh, God, I forgot to change it. Anyway, forget the title, but here's what you're going to do. Number 1, say the rhyme. 4 times 8, bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. Step number 2, pretend to blow 32 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go all the way to 32. Or if you have bubbles, blow 32 real bubbles. I want you to blow 32 times, okay? You're going to go like this. 1, 2, but with real bubbles. Then number 3, you're going to say the rhyme. And after you say the rhyme, 4 times 8, bubbles that have fun, pop 32, then you are done. After you do that, step number 4 says color in page 88 in your new packet. So here's page 88, and you have to color it in. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that's it. You can pause the video so that you can do all 4 of those things. Number 1, say the rhyme. Number 2, pretend to blow 32 bubbles, or if you really have bubbles, blow 32 bubbles. Then say the rhyme again, and then color in page 88 in your packet. So go ahead and pause this video so that you can do all 4 of those things.